Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value, and if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Good morning and happy Wednesday. I'm here with Emma, live again for Stock Market Trading Wednesday. We will be scalp trading today. We'll be making profits. Starting off with a balance of $5,000, and that gives us enough flexibility to scalp. We'll be scalp trading for profit today. Miss Emma, how is your morning looking? Tell us what we're going to be working on today.
Hello, good morning, everyone. It's actually a blessed morning, and we are excited to have a scalping on the trade today and get profit. And for those our viewers, if you are currently investing or trading crypto and working on building your credit, so this is the great platform for everybody.
All right. Okay. Oh my goodness, the market just opened. Literally, we were not in the position. We're going to go ahead and jump into position now, but you can see that gigantic green spike right there that got in. We should be able to see. Let's give it just a second to settle down. It's not going to let us in just yet. Okay, there we go. You can see that enormous green spike. We should have already been in and coasting in there for a big win. That would have been about a $5,000 ride right there. Let's see if we can get this thing rolling here. Once it starts that meteoric rise like that, it's difficult to get your trade in. All right, so there we go. Boom, it's trying to make a profit for us right now. Let's see what it's got, 170, 180. All right, so we were able to get in there for a profit. It's going to get, right now it's going up to the blue line. It's crossing the blue line. It has, looks like we made about $200 right there. I'm going to go ahead and make some more. There we go, 470. Let's see if we can pick that up off the table. It's just amazing the volatility that the market's got right. Let's go ahead and set that take profit up about there. All right. There we go. All right. So finally got our orders in, settled in and we've been on for less than a minute. Let me go ahead and we've got a visitor today. Miss Martha is visiting with us today. She's backstage. We're going to pop her in there. She's watching us trade for the first time today. We do have room for at least up to 10 visitors every day. What we're doing today live, we are trading the NASDAQ E-mini futures, and that big green candle from where we started down here is trading up. So we're going to get in the market for 5 units. We're going to raise that up for a little profit right there. Let it trade. And this is called scalping. So we are scalping the E-mini futures. We made $304 this morning in less than a minute. Now we're making just a little more. It looks like the green candle is trading up. When the green candle touches that green line right there on the upswing, it's going to beep. And when it beeps, that profit's coming down for another. We're sitting at 304.65 for profit right now. And there we go. There's another. It's another $150. So 469.60 altogether. I'm going to go ahead and click our buy buttons and get back in this market. So it's going to go up and up and up. So we're going to go ahead and raise our, get a little over $200 this time. We'll set it at maybe $3 and let it trade up there to that green line one more time. Scalping is always extremely fun because you get in, it goes up really quick, makes you a profit. You can get out right then if you want. Most, like I said, I have several friends that trade the morning opening, and that's all they do all day. They make $400 or $500, $1,000, $1,500. Some of the bigger traders make a $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 first thing in the morning, and then they're done. So this morning opening is a big part of the day. It did open up to the long side, to green. And that's what we need. We need a genuine rapid rise up. Miss Martha's with us again. And it is climbing up just like we predicted. So we like to do that. We like to get in early. We like to scalp the trade. And soon we're up $469.55 this morning. And that's what we do. We trade in early when the market's volatile and it's moving up rapidly, and we make our profit. We can encourage, and we can educate, and we can show you what we know and why we know it, why we do what we do, how we do it. All of this is completely risk-free because you can start in the program with a 30-day free program and work your way up to trading with the live money later if you choose to do that, or you can actually just stay completely safe and never risk any of your own capital. But if you do get into the position where you want to invest and make a little profit, then we can also walk you through the steps that it takes to do that. I'm gonna let this trade go just a few minutes while we hear from our sponsors. We have a brand new sponsor on board this morning. Just came on yesterday with Connect PR Church. Our good friends in Aguada. Let's hear.
Welcome to Connect PR.
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
A bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico,
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico,
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas,
and grow in purpose and community.
y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza,
y la pastora Camille Rosa,
we're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And back once again. And of course, like we mentioned every morning, when the candlestick trades across the blue line and the numbers inside the little blue square there turn from red to green, that's a profit. We can take the profit off the table at any point, whether it's $25, $50, $100, or we waiting for it to become more profit. Now, if you'll notice, the green candle started off at the opening right in here and went up substantially. That's where we make the majority of our profit for the day. It's probably not going to make another huge increase like that for quite some time. So it does you good to get out when it starts to trend like this, unless you're more conservative and you just want to let it trade across the blue line over time. So when it settles down into a trend going basically up and down about the same amount in a series across here, that's when you want to be kind of cautious and kind of set your bet in, set your goals and make your profit a little bit at a time. And that's where the scalping comes in. What we're going to do is we're going to play another couple of commercials here, and then we are going to probably set in a larger order with a smaller amount of time for a profit in order to get the scalp going, because we can trade. We started with a $5,000 account. We made $469.55 this morning already, and with that, we can continue to trade, but we've got 5 units right now we're trading. We're going to move those 5 units up a little bit so we can make more profit. You can see these red numbers inside this rectangle. When this turns green, I'm going to go ahead and take that profit off the table, put it in the bank, and then I'm going to increase my units from 5 up here. I'm going to increase them substantially, because when I increase the contract amount, that's where we really start to see the profit being made. And again, you can make money several ways. We are going to show you every possible way on how to do that. We do train live Monday through Friday every day as possible, and we trade at 9:30 a.m. when the bell opens. And once again, just to recap, the opening of the bell today was marked by this huge green candle. Now, what we try to tend to do is, since we know, we go with what we know, and we know the bell is going to ring at 9:30. We set our bet, we set our target goal right here. And then when it goes up, it would go completely up this fast in a matter of minutes and make your profit. You can get out as soon as it slows down and starts to trend like it is right now. Trend means up and down about the same amount and traveling to the right instead of up. Okay. So that's the institutional investors and all of the market itself leveling out. The NASDAQ's got 1,450 stocks in it altogether. So it does go up and down rapidly when it's volatile. Right now it's going up and down slowly, and we scalp that slow increase. That's how we make our profit. So as soon as this green candle crosses the blue line and makes me a little profit over here, I'm going to get out. Then I'm going to increase my contract amount, and then we're going to click the button and make profit every minute or less than a minute, and go ahead and scalp. My goal today is to make $1,000, and in one day. Naturally, we've made $469.55 so far, so we don't have that far to go. All right. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and play a little quick promotion, give you a little background on myself, and then we'll be popping right back in to trade the market.
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
All right, we're back. So we're going to go ahead and pop out and get back in the market. We're going to go ahead and pop out right here and close our position out. Then we're going to get back in, but we're going to alter the amount of units in. So we're going to go in with 25 units. We're going to buy in. Then we're going to raise our profit up just a little bit. Now we're looking at, that's $500 right there on the profit. All right, so we'll go ahead and, that's 600. We'll go ahead and settle in for 600. We'll let that trade just for a few seconds. And while that's playing, we're going to reach back and find ourselves some commercial real quick for our credit repair. When we're dealing with anything to do with money, we want to start right off with the fact that absolutely everybody on the planet needs to take a personal quick look at their personal credit for monitoring, if nothing else. If you've got a perfect credit score and your credit's wonderful and you've got everything you've always going to need, you still need credit monitoring to make sure that there are hackers not getting in and buying things and or false credit reports coming out. And we do that with Dispute Beast. Our affiliate Dispute Beast has got an AI, 100% AI, 110% money back guarantee program. I'm going to let you hear a little bit about that before we get out. So we start with personal credit, and then we work on business credit building. Then the third thing we do is the stock market trading like you're seeing. So you can notice that the green candle is working its way up to a profit. While it does, we're going to hear a little bit from our sponsor for
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, zero risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
Awesome. Far out. All right. We're looking good. So a little bit about personal credit with the AI. I personally can enroll you as an affiliate in the AI generation software. You click, literally put a little bit of information about yourself in so that they can verify that you are genuinely who you say you are. Then after that, you pay the company directly. We don't have anything to do with that. But we do walk you step by step through everything that you're going to need to repair your credit. So that's available. Notice that green candle is moving up, okay? It's in a profit already for over $200, $300, but it's going to be $600 when it hits that green line and beeps. That $600 is going from where it's at right now on the trading to the bank. That's as simple as it is. The predictability of this is 100% guaranteed because we get in where we know we can trade and make a profit. Here it comes. You can see it's right there. It is. All right, so we have now $966.50 in the bank from our trade, okay? Now that we have $966 profit, we can make the decision to go home. That's enough, $966 is enough money for a good day's trading. We can quit right now, or we can get back in. So I am going to let our viewing audience, which today is primarily our new lady that joined us today, Miss Martha, I'm going to let her decide, do we want to get back in or do we want to go home for the day on the trade with $900? Miss Martha, welcome to our trading family. I've got Miss Emma here. Miss Martha, what do you think? Should we get back in or should we go home for the day with $900? Your mic is muted still. I think your mic is off. I think your mic is still off, partner. All right. Can you figure out how to toggle your mic on? Your mic seems to be off. No worries. We'll work on that later. We'll let Miss Emma. Miss Emma, what do you think? Are we getting back in for just a minute or do we go home for the day?
Oh yeah, we can just stop the trade and get some rest, sir. It's $900.
Okay, so we're gonna stop for today, and we'll work on Miss Martha's mic a little bit later. So there you see it. We started right in here low, where the candle started off green. It went up high real quick. We made about $400. We trended to the right. We let it trade just a few minutes. We got back in right in here, and we made a profit. And you can see it's still climbing up. So that's what we do is we teach you how to get into the trade, where to get into the trade, what commodity to trade. It's a long shot. This is what it's looked like for the last day. We clicked one day so you can see the NASDAQ market for the day. That's what it looked like for a day. Then we zeroed in on just this one day, which is today, when it opened right in here. Okay. And out of that one day, we chose the time to get in, which was the opening of the day, right in there. We traded that candle up and we made $966. So we're going to play a little bit more information from one of our sponsors, and then we'll be right back. And we're back. It's a little bit of information there from Elite Trading, and just letting everybody know that they are more than welcome to join us Monday through Friday. We have a room for up to 10 slots to trade live. If this is the kind of thing that interests you, we do want to get you started in learning more about financial blessings. As our buddy Mike, the credit guy, says every day, whether you're 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 or above, and you're broke, there's nothing to it. Everybody gets broke, but staying broke is a choice. We're going to play just a little bit of Mike, and then we'll be off.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly.
And I just wanted you guys to see Mike, the credit guy. He's our Dispute Beast rep. And we start you off on the 3 pillars of wealth. Again, you can join and train with us for absolutely nothing. But if you're interested in signing up for one-on-one consultation, which is what I recommend, Miss Emma's got a package for everybody's budget, okay? We start you off. We take a personal dive into the personal credit. We start building the personal credit up immediately. That's the first pillar of wealth. The second pillar is, if you're in business for yourself, you're doing a side hustle or anything like that, we teach you how to build your business credit. Now, personal credit's built 0 to 850 on your social security number. Business credit is built on your EIN number for your LLC, your sole proprietorship, or your partnership. Business credit is 0 to 100, and you can build $250,000 in business credit in less than 90 days, and we can show you how to do that. We do everything for you. We get your EIN number, your Duns & Bradstreet number. We get your business address, your virtual business phone number, and we do it all in a package, and we build your business credit with AI the fastest possible way so that you can use that business credit for your business and to set yourself a salary. Off of that salary, you've got a multiple stream of income. Then we go to the pillar number 3, which is how to take some of that disposable income, invest it in the stock market, and build yourself a nest egg of wealth, okay? And there we go. So that's basically the concept, 3 pillars of wealth. We start with your personal credit. We teach you how to build your business EIN, build your business all the way from the beginning, from the name of your business, which will score better, to how to set your business up on your LLC if you choose your partnership, all of this good stuff, and then build business credit. And while we're doing all of that, simultaneously, you're training with us here, and we show you how to trade the stock market risk-free. You get a free account for 30 days, and in that 30 days, if you pick it up, you enjoy it, you seem like you want to continue it, then we show you how to trade on your own to make yourself a profit. So with that, you can call Miss Emma at any time, and she will help you out with the packages. Or if you give, you can give me a call any way you want. If you know me personally, you can reach for me. I will reach out to Emma, and we'll do a 3-way Zoom, and we'll all talk together about what package works best for you. So with that, we're going to go ahead and play one more short little bit of information, and then we are going to be off for the day. We've been in 25 minutes. We like to get in and out. We'll be back tonight at 7 p.m. our time. Here's a little something to leave you with real quick.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right. A professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
And we're back. Special thanks to Miss Martha for joining us today. And as you can see, the market's continuing to rise. If we would have stayed in right here, we would be way up here making a profit even as we close. Miss Emma, you want to give us some motivation and we'll close out for the day. Your mic's still off.
Thank you. We have a great trade this morning. And again, I am inviting everyone, if you are currently investing or trading crypto or working on building your credit, or if you are interested to start with it, we just opened an enrollment for crypto trade training and credit mastery program, where we teach step-by-step crypto strategies and how to properly build and leverage credit. So if you're serious about leveling up financially this year, I'd love you to call me any time of the day, Monday to Saturday at 877-587-4540. So you're not late. You just need to call me.
Ms. Martha, thank you for joining us today. I appreciate that.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.